So, hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal or reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August and it is valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has a potential to become something to heal every area of your life and to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Saggies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. Page of Swords. Okay, somebody is watching you from a distance or somebody is keeping a distance from you like deliberately. But there is a stalking around kind of energy right now at this present moment. Okay, let me clarify the Page of Swords here. We have the page of the King of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Knight of Pentacles. So their energies are dropping. Somebody's energies are dropping from the King of Pentacles to the Knight of Pentacles. It could be possible that this person was having this energy of wanting to have a stable relationship with you, wanting to have a commitment kind of energy with you, or getting married with you, or something kind of a deal. But now their energies are dropping to this energy of let's keep it slow, let's take it slow, let's do it one day at a time kind of a deal. Something happened here, the Tower, the Ten of Swords, some kind of ending, some kind of breakup or some kind of separation happened. So this person is watching you from a distance, and from this energy of being with you for the rest of their life, they are in this energy of let's hold on and let's see in the coming future. So, or keeping it very slow or low key. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Saggies? Six of Swords. You are feeling like moving on towards calmer water. You are feeling like finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords here. We have the Emperor, the Devil, the Page of Wands. You feel like standing your ground. You feel like you're obsessed with somebody. Sagittarius, you're obsessed with somebody. Even if somebody is putting you in a third party kind of a dynamic, or even if somebody is dealing with somebody else or something else, you are in this energy of keeping in touch with this person, even if it is just like a friend. Even if it is like, even if you're married to somebody, even if you're in a third party kind of dynamic, let me be with you as a friend. Or you're trying to find a solution to the problem, like how to detach from this person, because you're literally attached to a person to that level of might be obsession that I will not be able to let go of this person. You're trying your best to let go of something or someone and trying to keep it cool and casual, but you're not able to do that. Yeah, in fact, you feel like having some kind of long-term partnership kind of a deal with this person. Even if they are putting you in a third party or doing something really wrong with you, you are in this energy of I have to be with this person somehow, in some way. I don't know, unhealthy attachment. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Saggies? Strength card. This person wants to hold back right now. Okay, this is somebody who is very emotionally immature, or on and off, or in and out of their life, in and out of your life. They want to hold back. Either this person wants to hide something from you, or they just want to hold back. They don't want to talk to you right now, or something like that. Let's clarify the strength. We have the Seven of Swords, the Six of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles. They're hiding something from you. This person wants to hide something from you. Either they are married, or they are with somebody else, or they are committed to somebody else, or they are having something going on behind your back that they don't want to tell you. This person wants to show you that they are single, they are independent, they got their shit together, there's nothing to worry about, but they are trying to hide something from you big time, Sagittarius. This person is definitely hiding something or someone from you and trying to show you that they're single, that they don't have anybody that they're dealing with, there's nothing wrong. My goodness. This person is a player. This person is a player. On and off, in and out, player person, player energy. Very immature energy. Maybe they just want friends with benefits, or just a sexual kind of a deal with you. Oh my god. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Sagittarius. Let's see what's happening. Nine of Cups. You just want your wish fulfillment. You just want to be happy. You just want to be happy in this situation. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups. We have this Empress, the Nine of Wands, the Three of Wands. You want to fight for this connection, Sagittarius. Don't lie to me. You can lie to me, you can't lie to yourself. You want this connection to work out, and you want to fight for this connection, and you are ready to wait for this person to come back around, or you are ready to fight for this connection as much as you can. But you want to be happy with this person. You want to be happy in this situation. You want your happily ever after kind of a deal with this person. Even if you're trying your best to keep it casual, you're not able to do that. And you want this person and you to be together and to be happy. You want your wish to be fulfilled. And you can't stop thinking about it. What? Let's see what's coming towards you. What could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 18th of August, Sagittarius? We have the Ace of Cups. Okay, a brand new beginning in love, or some kind of opening up in your heart chakra. Energy is blasting. Okay, let me clarify the Ace of Cups here. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Page of Pentacles. Somebody is coming towards you with this offer of marriage or something like that, but I think you are not opening up to them. Either you are going towards someone for this marriage offer, like, okay, let's get married or let's get committed or something, and they are holding on to this energy of no, not right now. Or somebody is coming towards you with this energy of, okay, let's get married or let's have something committed, and you are in this energy of no, not right now. So somebody is coming towards you with a marriage proposal kind of a deal, and you are holding on to this energy of either saying no or saying maybe later, we will think about it, but not right now. So yeah, as of now I do see that you are trying to move on from this situation, or both of you are individually trying to move on in totally different directions. But at the same time, one of you is holding on to this energy of I want to be with this person for the rest of my life, and the other energy is not ready for that. That is what is happening. So somebody is going to try to give you a fresh offer that let's get married or let's get committed or let's be together forever, and you are going to be like no, or maybe later, we will see. Yeah, or you are going to hold on to this hope that someday this person is going to give you commitment, or this person is going to give you a marriage offer, because your heart is totally open in this direction. You are holding on to this person very, very tightly. You are in this energy of this person is mine, they are going to be with me only for the rest of my life, and I don't think it is going anywhere as of now more than friendship. Take it how it resonates with you. One of you is very much in this energy of wanting to be in this relationship for the rest of their life. The other person is holding on to this energy of okay, let's be friends only, or let's just take it easy and just take it one day at a time and see where things can go. Yeah, okay, let's see the guidance for you guys here, Sagittarius. I think Sagittarius, it's you holding on to this idea of being very tightly you holding on to this idea very tightly that I want to be with this person for the rest of my life, and the other person is not responding really well. Yeah. Okay. So Sagittarius, if you want to see where this connection can go, take it easy, go, like take it one day at a time, enjoy the connection, enjoy the relationship, and let go and let God and surrender. Now I'm not saying to give like all of your time, all of your energy, everything to this connection, and then afterwards you are going to face disappointment. What I'm trying to say here is try to be friends only, try to take it casually, try to understand this person, this situation completely, slowly but surely, and try to understand if this situation is something that is really giving you that kind of happiness that you're looking forward to have, or it is just your illusion, or you are living in some kind of illusion or delusion that this situation, this person is meant for you. Might be this person or this situation is just meant for you for a friendship kind of a deal only, and you are trying to make it something else. Okay, or might be this situation can convert into something very meaningful in the coming future, but as of now, don't invest all of your time, all of your energy into this situation by wanting to have something very big on the table, because right now it's not happening. It might take some time, or this person or this energy is not meant for you. Simple. So that is why the universe wants you to take it casually, keep it cool, keep it calm. Slowly but surely you will be able to understand whether this person or this situation is meant for you or not. You will get your answer like yourself very soon. But take it casual, take it slow, take it easy. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.